How to delete multiple call logs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Contacts application on your phone. The Contacts app on iPhone is a built-in application for managing contact information. It allows users to store names, phone numbers, email addresses, and other details for individuals and organizations. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. You can find all your recent call logs over here. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Select. As you can see, there is a red minus sign beside all of your call logs. Now, tap on the call log you want to delete and swipe left. Then, tap on the delete icon beside. You have now successfully deleted this call log. Repeat this to delete the other call logs as well. If you want to delete all the call logs at once, then tap on Clear at the top right corner. Then, select Clear All Recents. This will clear all of your call logs at once. Following these steps, you can easily delete multiple call logs on iPhone.